Here we are. I've just come off Pattaya Thailand onto Third Road. I'm going to strap the camera onto my shoulder bag and do a bit of filming driving on the motorbike and see how it is. And this is Third Road, Pattaya, Thailand. Right, well, here we go. Not sure how stable it's going to be, but a few motorbikes behind me. As I said, this is Third Road, Pattaya Thai. Sorry about the jerking, but I think that's what I'm renowned for. Driving, filming and jerking. What better way to go? Over a nice little bump then. Just saying, not sure if you can see the traffic, but I don't think it's as stable as when I was doing driving down Soy Macau for some reason. The weight on the bag, on the shoulder bag, isn't strong enough to keep it steady enough, if that makes sense. Anyway, we'll see. Well worth the journey, well worth the trip. But I said, it's quiet in Pattaya at the moment. Normally the road would be solid. Unfortunately, in one sense, that there's not much traffic. But as you can see, there's everywhere. There's a shop after shop after shop. From motorbike shops to banks. The houses are all apartments above. You don't have sort of main roads houses. Hang on, I got some idiot not quite overtaking me. Then I've got a car screaming up behind me. One of the drawbacks in Thailand is the driving abilities, or how they drive each year is a bit manic. Anyway, I'm stuck at traffic lights at the moment. I'm just going to go over the yellow lines, which I shouldn't do. I'm not actually over them, I'm on them. So that should be okay. I say, I've got to be a bit careful. One, the police, and secondly, the traffic coming the other way. Oh, it's different. I'm not sure if you can see in front of me. Three-wheel disabled trike, scooter, or whatever they call them. Don't see many of them over here in Thailand. Especially Pattaya. They usually got people pushing them. Hey, some foreigner driving on the pavement over there with two passengers. You see my friend on the left hand side. Won't point him out, but here we go. Let's go past here a bit. Not sure if you can see me. I can see him. Anyway, as I said, a bit of videoing. It's 7 seconds. What I like about this is that they've got traffic lights that count down in seconds, but you need to wait a couple of seconds after to allow the traffic to go. Right, I'm turning right now into Pattaya Thai. I'm on my way home to the barn. Well, you see taxi drivers, they just pull out in front of you, no due care or consideration. There are cars to the left of me, and to the right, obviously. There's a two-way street, but you've got to be careful because cars tend to just pull in front of you, no indication. That's how they pass their driving tests. They certainly wouldn't back in the UK, but this is Thailand. Anyway, not far to go now. At least I'm able to film while I'm driving a bike, and I hope it comes out okay. And secondly, hope people watch. It's a police truck to the right of me. Oh, look! Hey! Whoa! Just shouting to my brother then. He was crossing the road. He crossed before he saw me. Anyway, let's turn. I'm turning right now, so we'll be stopping a bit. And turning. I don't know if you saw that, but that's typical Thai driving, overtaking on the yellow line and going the other side of the road just so they can get past me. Crazy. So there you go.
That might crash, but no.
Right, looks like I'm home now, so I'll stop.